Remove the spark plug cap, and use a spark plug socket wrench to remove the spark plug. It may be a little tight the first time you remove it, which is normal. After removing the spark plug, check the spark plug head for carbon deposits or oil stains. Clean the electrodes with WD-40 and make sure they are completely dry before reinstalling. Measure the plug gap with a caliper. The proper gap is 0.6 to 0.7 millimeters, 0.024 to 0.028 in. If the spark plug is damaged or cannot be cleaned effectively, replace it with a new one. Spark plugs should be checked every 6 months, or 100 hours of operation, and it is recommended to replace them every 2 years or 300 hours. Finally, reinstall the spark plugs, tighten them, and insert the spark plug caps.